Hey guys, how are you? Today I am doing some essential traveling. As you guys know, we are limiting our travels at this time. So instead of going out to, butt against the crowd, sometimes there are crowds at the grocery stores, I decided that I'm going to turn to local growers. This is also a really great way to support your local growers, farmers, home gardeners, anyone who has extra food that they have to offer to you, to sell to you, or even to trade with you. So I did bring some stuff with me, and I'm gonna go pick up my first stop because it is very important to nourish your body anytime in your life, but especially right now it is very important, and I think it is one of the most important and best investments you can do for yourself is to invest in your body, your health, your immune system. So I downloaded the Cropswap app and I'm on there as well, guys. I'm doing some trading, some selling, and also supporting local growers around here. I'm just gonna check out. I'm very curious, what kind of growers are here around my neighborhood. And obviously, the more people that join, the more we would be able to, or easier it would be to search for local growers. So if you guys are interested, I highly encourage that you go download that app. It's free. It's called Cropswap. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to go check out. But yeah, anyway, this is my first stop. Let's go see what I coordinated to pick up. Okay, coming right up to this house. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. Look at that. It says, our library is always open. Food, not lawns. Hi. All right, coming to my first stop. Kitty. Oh, hi. Oh gosh, I so want to pet you. You're so adorable. Oh, hi. Hi. This must be for me. Here it is.
Almost every day I have something that I'm either trading or somebody comes by to pick up. I've traded packets or bundles of seeds, so they have like seasonal seeds. I started all of my seeds in my greenhouse, so I've been trading tomato seeds. Today I traded tomato seeds or tomato plants and squash plants for 10 pans of flour. Wow. And a packet of, small sandwich packet of yeast. So, it's just like our gardening community has really, I think, been stronger. This just goes to show how important it is to be more self-sustaining.
Yeah.
Because at times like this, I think that's what's going to really provide for our families.
And also really just bringing us all, I think, being more connected with each other now.
Absolutely, absolutely. I always say, like, the gardening community is the most giving community that I've ever experienced.
Absolutely.
And especially through these times, that really has proven to be true.
And you know what? I was like telling my friends that this is so much like a lower risk than going to the market right now, supporting local growers and not dealing with the crowds.
Well, you don't know, when you're at the market, you don't know how many touches there have been
that's a very good
on
point
everything,
too.
Whether it's boxed or fresh, etc. But this, that only my hands have touched it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming by.
All right, let's get on to the next stop. Woohoo! Guess where I'm at, you guys? So these are some of the stuff I brought for trading. And I'm gonna prepare this. This is some chokes. All right. Okay, stopping at number 2 place, and I got these things for swapping. Actually, Lewis didn't request for the lavender, but I thought we can give these to his wife. Here we are. It's like treasure hunting. Ooh, that's my stuff. Thank you, Lewis. From Green Zebra. Oh my gosh, look at this. I was hoping one of them would be ready because I'm getting pretty hungry. Eggplants. I haven't grown eggplant in a really long time, so I'm really excited about this. Okay. Lavender for his wife and suntoaks. So I just picked up some apple bananas and eggplants. Originally I was just gonna come here to pick up eggplants, but then Lewis posted something about the apple bananas and I was like, oh my gosh, where did you get them? So he actually swapped up with some other local grower here, and so now he's sharing it with me. So thank you, Lewis. I'm actually getting pretty hungry right now. The next stop is going to be for some blood oranges, so my tummy is going to be fed. Hi. I'm just trying to pick up something. Ooh. Look at that. Guys, look at all these lovely blood oranges I picked up, and I swapped it out with some sunchokes for her. And look at these. And all of these fruits came from this tree right behind me. This is their blood orange tree that she said they have grown it for 12 years now. It took about 6 years until it started to fruit. But isn't that amazing? She said she picked these off the tree early this morning, and I'm now picking it up from her. This is the freshest you can really get, you know, way to get your produce. Oh look, she even has the collard tree. This is so adorable. Oh, and she's got beets. Either beets or, I think they're beets. Kale. Milkweed, so important to have some native plants to feed your native beneficial insects like monarch butterflies. Look at that, she's got a solar charge for the lights here to keep it festive and maybe to keep this pomegranate tree a bit warm. Right behind me is a fig tree they have growing here. If you guys are looking for a fruit tree that starts to fruit very fast, I mean fairly quickly, look into getting figs because they don't take years to start fruiting. This is Kate.
Hi.
So I just picked up some
And cool, thank you.
So Kate is going to give us a tour of her garden. That's so nice. These are gorgeous. And got some beans in between. Wow. Oh, look at that. They're huge. With cabbage?
Yep. Red Express cabbage. I have some pumpkins that I just kind of hid in here.
Yeah, perfect. That's what I'm going to do too. Hide it somewhere and let it trail out.
Yeah. It doesn't get a lot of sun right here, but
It will.
Yeah, it's enough.
Once it climbs. Yeah.
It's enough.
Well, this one smells really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a butterfly bush.
Mmm. It's good.
Just started getting a little cute apricots on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow, that's a good amount of blueberries.
Yeah, so I have 6, 2 of each. One of these is a pink lemonade.
Oh my god. Awesome.
And the other 2 I can't remember, but they're all good for zone 10.
Okay.
Yeah, so I planted them about 2 years ago.
Guys are so cute. Oh, thank you.
Jack fig that has some really great looking fruit already.
Beautiful.
And lots of seedlings I've started, some that I've treated. And then we have a front row of peppers, various peppers. Some I've had for about 3 years. Once I pulled out the favas, I really gave the kaffir lime a nice haircut. So
They look really good.
yeah. A miniature peach, more purple tomatillo, more squash for lemon.
Wow, look how thick these are. I wonder, is the stalk edible? Like, it would be awesome to juice them like celery.
You know, I heard the leaves and flowers are edible,
Yeah.
so I would assume the stalk is too, but I haven't eaten the flowers.
Kind of, yeah.
And then I also learned that you should lop them off at the top, so like I did for some of these, so then they start producing beans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so there's a lot of little beans coming in. Mexican papaya. which is really great for, I actually prefer green papaya.
Yeah.
So I pick it early and do a salad. I have a worm bin.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I put my food scraps in the worm bin and in the compost bin. And this is the first year I ever got to use that. So that was pretty exciting. My secret garden.
Secret garden.
This space used to be a dog run, but for the past couple of years I've grown everything from tomatoes to cucumbers, herbs, beans, and that's a pluoct.
Ooh.
When the days are longer, it actually helps prolong the plants because
it's like filter.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, it's not such a long day. But I've had this mint here for 3 years.
oh wow. Yeah, they're looking really good.
Yeah, some things aren't really bothered by
Gotta
it.
pick the right plants to grow.
Yeah, definitely.
So far, I have been loving this adventure, meeting new people, connecting with them, and just having a good time talking about plants and sharing, trading, and buying local produce. So I'm gonna actually go to my last stop here, picking up some really yummy juice. Look at that, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. These drinks were so good, I had to pick up 2 more. I like knocked on her door and stepped like 10 feet away and told her that they're really good. Can I get 2 more? And she takes Venmo, so that's really awesome. So this trip turned out way beyond my expectations. I mean, look at my food haul. These growers were so friendly, so kind, and you know, not only did I learn where my food came from and how they grew the food, but that we share the same passion and most importantly, the same outlook on life. You know, years ago I was thinking that living in an urban setting, wouldn't it be great if we, like, all of us maybe on the same block or in the same neighborhood would grow different foods because we only have the amount of space, you know, a small amount of space. So we grow different things and we get to share and trade with everyone, or even leave a box outside and, you know, whatever extras we have, and everyone can trade around the block. So I'm so happy that Cropswap actually made this app to make this possible for not just, you know, me and my neighborhood, but everyone else out there. So get on the app and find out what's around you. Oh, and you know what was so amazing was that one of the growers out there, Kate, thank you so much. I had such a blast just hanging out with your dogs and checking out your garden. And she even gave me the 70-year-old yeast so that I can make my own sourdough bread, kombucha, Sculpey starter for making kombucha tea, and this bread, this artisan bread made by her husband. So yeah, I mean, I planned on going out there just to pick up some produce, but I ended up having so much more than I was expecting. So that was so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and you know, leave your comment down below. What do you think of this whole like swapping food idea? I mean, this to me obviously has told me that, you know, together we can make change, we can make a difference. It is so much more powerful to unite. Everyone has a talent out there. Everyone has a space to grow some sort of thing out there. So if we could all just utilize our resources and do what we can with what we have, we can make beautiful things, and we can offer to others and accept other people's gifts. So this was all so lovely. Such a fun day for me. Thank you all so much for joining me on this adventure. So yeah, once again, like, share, and subscribe to this channel to see more videos. And follow me on social medias like Facebook and Instagram, where I do have instant updates of my life, where I'm at, what I'm doing, what I'm growing, eating, all that sort of good stuff. If you would like to support me and my work, I greatly appreciate it. Go check out my website at wendyland.com. I do have some seeds and plants offered to you guys. Well, that's it. Thank you all so much. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, I'll see you right back here in the next video. Bye, guys.